here are a few things that have sold recently. If you follow me, you know the backstory on these Barbies. I sold them for $20, bought them for 99 cents, and they sold within 24 hours of me listing them. Brand new Wilton Mickey Mouse tennis balls. They were sealed, bought for 99 cents, sold for 10. Christmas Heritage 12 Days of Christmas number 7 plate. This only took a few days to sell. I paid $2.99 and it sold for $14.99. This shoe is a great example of something that I bought when I first started flipping. I didn't research it, I didn't do my homework, I bought it because it looked pretty, and it took forever to sell. I didn't make a penny on it, it's a push, it was a great learning experience, and I am glad to see it go. As always, the buyer pays shipping, and the sold price is the gross, not the net.